I won't leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought a nigga said something. Thought a nigga said something. G-Block, all we know is RedRum, 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 RedRum. G-Block, all we know is RedRum, 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 RedRum. Nigga, all we know is riding in the back, it's a May, it's a May. 32 shots in the K, in the K. Marathon, I really run an A, run an A. Say you touch me, how sway, how sway. Graveyard, that's where the ops stay, I'll stay. Hypnotized, they do what I say, what I say. 21 niggas don't play, don't play. My Glock Gen 5 said hey, take my chopper.
Congratulations, you are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive, but not you, not anymore. I want to play a game. You better hurry up.
Me, nigga, like you expect Jesus to come back. Expect me, nigga. I'm coming.
Yo, it's like Pocahontas. Wherever him, I'ma get money. I'm a thriller nigga, fuck my conscience. These far shoes, fuck my bunions. With a mid on the bands on Sunday. And I ain't going to Magic Monday. Put that dick in the air like crunches. I came from shooting, sing low in the dungeon. Yo, I'm tired of making it rain. I much rather go buy me a plane. I had to call him to stop up the sink. Whole lot of tried to go down the drain. First 100,000 I went made a strain. I was rhyming behind Gucci in the red Mustang. That was back in 09, that before the fame came. I had a chick for the rap check came. I put big ass on this shit out of Spain. I don't fall from it to check Houdini. Bitch, you cheated, don't speak when you see me. I'm in the Turbo S, no GP. I'm getting head from I'm in CC. My nigga ain't even trying hit sweetie. That bitch turned me off, no kizzies. I told my ex don't call on busy. I just told my new one she gotta trust me. She love all my friends cause they love me. Everything you do, everything you say, you stuck with me. You're loving me, yeah. I told my brother take this watch because I'm vulnerable. I let her get away with murder when I fall in love.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, yeah. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no